because I need to know how you guys are feeling. I don't like to teach to like a dead audience, meaning like people that are just sitting there, because your engagement in the class is going to be super crucial. So let's start section 1. So this is a little bit of schedule that we're going to run through. You know, our class is going to be an 8-week course. Last time we did this program, we did 4 weeks, and we went back and asked feedback from the students, the ladies, and they mentioned that it was too jam-packed. What we did was we had 2 courses every week. So now we're having 2 courses every week, but we actually spread it into 8 weeks. So every week you're gonna have a lecture. So these are your lecture days. So the program is Wednesday and Friday. On Wednesday, you're gonna have a lecture by me and other guest speakers that I'm gonna announce later. Okay. So these are the sessions for the course. September 18 is today, September 25th is the next one, October 2nd, October 9th, October 16th, 23rd, 30th, and November 5th. There might be a day where I need to travel because I travel a lot for work, for business, and for pleasure. So I think October 9, we might need to shoot a movie to another day, which is like the day before. So when that time comes, we'll discuss it. If we have a guest speaker that say, I cannot make these days, but we love to have the guest speaker, we might move it to another day. So just be open and flexible and agile to understand that we might shift the schedule, but we'll let you know. We'll communicate ahead of time and everybody will know. Why are they asking me to record to the cloud? To this computer, yep. All right, so that's the program of the course. Another part of the course is the study time, and we'll talk about the study time shortly. But the study time, let me go through this visual here, because I tried to make it a visual so that it gives you an understanding of the number and the effort that you need to be successful in this class. So you can definitely come back to this. Every course that we have, I don't share the slide of my course because this is how I teach. This is how they teach in America, and I spent 25 years in America, and that's the culture that I'm used to. So don't come back and ask me for the slide. You know, if you want to snap the slide, but what we're gonna do is after each class, I'm gonna post the recording. That's why I make sure everything is recorded. I'm gonna post the recording on YouTube by end of the day. So when you wake up the next day, you will see the recording on YouTube and you can go watch it. But I'm not gonna share a slide. The learning platform, what we're gonna talk about, is gonna have all the resource that you need. If I feel like there's something that you need to know, it will be in the resource on the learning platform, okay? Or we'll send a link or something on WhatsApp. We'll talk about how we also work on WhatsApp. But the pre-work, right? Each classes, there will be some pre-work, okay? Today, there was no pre-work, so today is just onboarding. The next week, before you come to class, you will have access to the learning platform and you'll be able to read. And you need to invest about 4 to 8 hours in your reading time. So that's where the class gets very interesting. Because if you just wait and show up in class, you will be totally lost. That I promise you. So your success is gonna come from you go online in the learning platform where we're gonna show shortly, show that I am still, okay. Yeah, there was a little delay. I'm gonna close my thing. Okay, I'll reopen. Okay. All right, I don't need to, I'm gonna go back here. Okay. Okay. So you need 4 to 8 hours of pre-work. In that pre-work session, you're gonna get that information on the learning platform. You should be able, that would actually be lovely to have the recorded video accessible for later purpose. Yes, the video will be on YouTube. If you go on YouTube right now, you can see all the courses from that session. We always post everything on YouTube because that's how your generation of people learn. When you are studying, start preparing questions. That's the best way for you to understand things. Prepare questions answer the pre-work question. There will be some pre-work for you. Also try to answer them. The reason why is when you come to the class, you know, when you come to class discussion, you will be able to bring those questions in. You will be able to be paying attention and say, okay, I read this thing in my course, but I don't understand. So when Miss Lizette is explaining, I can grab that information. And then if that information doesn't make clear, I can throw it in the chat and quickly ask. That's how you learn. But if you just come blindly and you have no prior knowledge, it's going to be very difficult, because in this 1 hour, we cannot teach you about vast information about quality assurance or artificial intelligence. So in each course, there'll always be a one-pager summary of the main topic. You know, what do we trying to get you to learn this week? And then the understanding of the key concepts. So you gotta know that when we come to this course, it's just gonna be like repeating at a very high level things that you already have read, but then now you have questions and we can more spend time, because my lecture time will be maximum 30 to 45 minutes. And the rest you have 15 to 20 minutes to ask me any question that you have. Then you have homework and also a project. Homework is just a way for us to know, to understand that you understand what you just learned and read, right? And then you also have team project, which is a fun part of the whole program. The team project will put you in teams at some point, 2 or maybe week 3 or week 3, I think. And then you can start working on your project. So you have at least 4 weeks to work on your project. So you confirm, I'll send you the link for the Z-Square Solution Inc. YouTube channel. If you actually go to www.zsquaresolutioninc.com, you will see there's an icon in the corner of the YouTube channel, but I'll share that here right now once I get out of this slide mode. No problem. Then discussion, right? No, let's talk about the live session. So the live session, you get to meet the host, which is me. When we have guest speaker, you have information about the guest speaker ahead of time. You can even Google them. You can even go on their LinkedIn already, so you get an idea of what they do. You know, it's all preparedness is the key to be successful in life. So what I'm trying to hit at is, don't just show up in class and say, okay, I'm gonna get it. You gotta be willing to prepare. And we did select people that are already have degrees or have better understanding of computer science or computer engineering, or just highly interested in this thing. That, because when you have an interest in something, you are willing to quickly go do researches, you know, and that's a winning strategy to be successful in anything in life, or even in this field as well. So we also gonna have, you know, fireside chat. You know, some of our guest speaker, when they come in, they'll do maybe 20 minutes, you know, presentation or 30-minute presentation. And the rest of the time, when it's really, really fun, it's when you guys come and ask them questions. How you gonna ask them questions is because you have went to their website, you have went to their LinkedIn profile, and you try to understand a little bit about what they do and get curious and ask them questions. Okay. And then we have a lot of discussion. The question and answer time is discussion time. That's where you put your parking lot question. We're not going to use Trello this time because I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys. Just 2 platforms or 3 platforms. We do Zoom, we do the LMS, and then we do the WhatsApp. So if you have any question before class that is coming to your mind, put in the parking lot, and what the teaching assistant, my assistant here will do is they will pin the question in the group, so that, you know, when we are in class, we can go back to it toward the end of the class and see if we can get to it, you know, or you can also bring it back. But what I like is when you have a question, don't just sit on it. You can even put the question already in the WhatsApp group. And if somebody's studying and they know more than you, they can already be answering it. That is like the joy of actually learning. Improve things you need to improve, right? So every time when we start class, you will see we always talk about, you know, the vibe. What have you learned last time? How is the class going? Things that you learn and things you need to improve. So you need to have all those discussion happening. Last session also, we talk about Slack. We're not doing Slack. You know, when we get to a time where we want to ask you guys for feedback, we'll create a survey and ask you for feedback. But you are welcome to give your feedback as the class is going. Okay? All right. Now, here is a very high level of the program. It could change because the guest speaker are being confirmed as we speak. But today, the first session, this is our welcome, our working agreement, onboarding, just general. And then next week session, you know, it's going to be about QA 101, intro to quality. What is the software development process? Because we really want to take you from the foundation part to really understand what is software and what is QA and why quality matters. And then the next session, we dive into QA process, QA deliverable, manual testing, QA automation strategy. So you can see already from this third session, we get into the meat of this. But this is a lot of information. So if you start this class and you being lazy at the beginning, by week 3, you will get dizzy. So you got to start with the intensity that this is a lot of information that I need to digest in a very short time. So week 3 has a lot of information, very important information. And that's after week 3, we're going to determine people in groups. So you need to have a lot of background information to be able to now start looking at your project and try to understand what you can do for this project. Then week 4, we dive into the actual artificial intelligence and how we use AI for automation, or how AI and Q automation goes hands in hand. And we'll have a guest, hopefully, to bring that information to us. Then on week 5, we'll talk about Agile 101. Agile is still important as part of software development. And we'll talk about Agile 101. What is Agile software development? We'll have a guest speaker for that as well. And then on week 6, we'll talk about a little bit more about now Agile software testing, and non-functional testing, and some of the tools that are out there that can be used for non-functional testing, and perhaps even AI tools that are out there now that we can use for functional testing. And then week 7, we'll dive into QA tools and QA metrics, if possible. Then we have a guest that will join us for that as well. Then on week 8, we talk about QA tool in DevOps, and talk about DevOps strategy, and then do some demo of tools that are out there. Each of these guest speakers, I've asked them, not only you come teach, but also a little bit demo so you can give people a sense of like how things work, okay? And then we have the final week where we do the final review, which is, actually this week is where I think we have a demo of the project, if I recall. And then the final day is just for final review, career planning, and interview processes. Sometimes what I do, like, because by week 9, everybody's like super, super tired, this is something that I can just send you as information, a package on the platform, and you can continue reading. The cool thing about this program is the platform stay open for like 3 months. So not only you have 8 weeks of program, the platform is going to stay open. So you get opportunity, even when the course is finished after a month, to come back and still continue to read the material, go see the link of the YouTube, and just digest things a little bit more. And then at the end, you get a certificate, you get a certificate, and we'll talk about what gets you a certificate. Okay, demo. I'm wondering what is the demo for today. Okay, so let's talk about working agreement. I'm sure the demo is me showing you how to get to the LLM course. But let's talk about working agreement. So working agreement is simple. Think of this Venn diagram, how you are successful in this course. Do your pre-work. That's the first part. If you don't do your pre-work, you're going to choke in this class, because this is not a fun and easy class. This is a lot of information, this is a lot of information that is being packed. This is like years of information that is being packed in this course, So, but your success is going to be by doing your pre-work, participate in the project and activity, meaning do your homework, ask questions, go in the WhatsApp group and ask questions, work on your project, be curious, research a lot, bring back questions, because I cannot know the missing link for each person, right? We're supposed to have 30 people in the class. I cannot know what is the missing link for each person. And then the last one is ask question, ask question, ask question, ask question, and share your feedback. If something is missing for you, something is not connecting, ask more questions so that we can connect the link for you, because I don't want you to come in class confused and then left confused and keep being confused. You know, when that starts the second week, the third week, you're going to be lost for the rest of the semester, the rest of the 8th week. So we don't want that. You know, as soon as something is not missing for you, ask, and we might send you another link, we might send you to another website, we might send you more information to make the learning faster for you, you know. But my pet peeves are the student that don't want to study. My pet peeves are the student that don't want to do the pre-work, but they want to ask a lot of questions, because the question you ask will help me determine if you have studied or not, you know. So now, let's get to what we call homework. So this is the website that I was talking about. Let me do a, is that show and tell we call it? Let me see if I can do it. I'm gonna stop sharing and then come back. So let me know if you guys have any question, and then we'll do a show and tell. So yeah, we'll do it. Should we do a show and tell? Because I think it's important for you guys to read what is on this. So I'll share again, and then you guys can read what is on this before I do the show and tell. So what I'm sharing is you gotta navigate to, you can read, you can screenshot, you can do whatever, because we'll follow the same for you guys. And this information is actually in your homework, but the funny thing is you won't get to the homework if you don't get to the platform. So maybe we copy and paste this and put it in the WhatsApp group, but I think you guys need to screenshot this page right now, because this is crucial. So you navigate to www.zsquaresolution.com, you click on the ZSI Academy. When you get to ZSI Academy, you click on enroll, and I'll show you all that. And then when you want to enroll, you create your account and you log in using the coupon code. This is super important, because this class is a teachable class that I teach, a paid class, and people pay for this class. But because of African Agility and the partnership we have with ZSI Academy, this is free for all of you. You guys have been hand selected, you know, to participate in this program free of charge. So the code, which you should not give to your friend, is African Girls, okay? So the code African Girls, you're gonna put that in the chat, and you're gonna put that in the class, and then we'll talk about the WhatsApp group. So that's how you get into the class. So now I will stop sharing and I can demo that. Hopefully I can demo that, because I think I've already logged in before, but we'll try our best. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's go to the website. Let's see. Okay, no. What is this Academy? Let me just go to the website from the top. The square. This solution. Okay. All right. So while the website is pulling up, I'm gonna try to see if I can share. And I don't need to go in slide mode for all of them. I'm just gonna share here. All right. You guys should be able to be seeing my screen here. Let's see if we can see yourself. Okay, so if you go www.solutioninc.com, I can put the link in the chat for everybody. Make it easy. If you go here, where did I say? You click on ZSI Academy. It'll take you to some places. My internet is a little bit slow. Oh wow. Oh, even better. Yep. Internet always act up when you need it, right? So all right, so this is the ZSI Academy. Okay. Then you click on this enroll now button down here. Okay. The enroll now button, I gave you the code. What was the code? African girls. Okay. When you put apply, it take up 100% the discount, and then now you put your email, your full name, and make sure you put the name that you put in the registration. Okay. So remember when you were asking you earlier, what is your name? What is your name? Put the name on your registration, because we have to correlate both lists. If I see somebody that is not on my registration list, I might eject you from the course. So make sure you go back to like, how did you apply for this course? Put your email. So your email is also going to match the email that we have on our list. You have to do that correlation later tomorrow after everybody register, before Friday, definitely. And then put your full name, as we mentioned, create your passport, and then you complete your purchase. Okay. When you do that, it will take you into the platform. I'm trying to enter the platform. I think I have my own login somewhere. Or maybe I'll use this login. Let's see. Maybe I can create another one. I already have a login. Yeah, account already exists, right? Yes. Okay. Now I need to remember the password. I don't remember the password for this one. Oh, no. I don't remember the password. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll just enroll with a new one. Make my life easier. Okay, okay. Let's see. Tuesdays. Okay. Okay. Use one faster. Good. Oh, I didn't apply this. Did I? Complete my purchase. That should be good. Okay. Now you get to enter the course. So when you click on this, you get into the artificial intelligence course. So you should be able to see all this right now. So you can just say start course, and then now you can start navigating. You will see here information about your instructor. You will see more stuff about the courses. These are people that have taken the course in the past, and you will see comment that we had from our last session, we took the course. But what you have to do is each session that you're reading, you need to read it and say mark complete. So when you say mark complete, great job, keep going. And then you go to the next lesson, okay? Next lesson, it's about the instructor. You get to read more about me, yada, yada, yada. And then this is just new thing. And then you go to the next session again. I see the other side of it. So this is super interesting. So this is everything we mentioned about today, number of video, just is a little bit more outline. So this is like the first session. So these are things that I want you to go over. This is a little bit more the content of the course, you know, what we're covering today. So today's session 1 is we're going to do introduction, onboarding on WhatsUpp. We talked about that already. Onboarding on the learning platform. That's what we're just doing. We talk about your homework. We walk through the table content, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. And then we talk about the guest speaking calendar, which I shared with you earlier, the class code of conduct, and then our working agreement. So you will see the plan for each session. Next session 2, which is September 25, course is what we're going to talk about, and so forth and so on. So you see everything here. And then what I expect from each section. And then when we have a guest speaker, how do they look like? Usually We introduce the guest speaker, they do the conversation, and then we do a demo at the end. So when you finish reading all that, you go to, whenever you finish a session, you have, because if you don't mark complete, me in the learning platform, I see everything that you have done. So if you just go, you read, and you don't do mark complete, it's gonna say that you have not completed that session, right? So then you gotta go to the next session, which is this information today, which I was sharing with you. So you get to go to my LinkedIn group, and I mean LinkedIn, and see LinkedIn. And also your homework today is to do this, right? So this is today homework. I already gave you the link. I gave you the code, African Girl, and then you need to create. Your homework is also to join the WhatsApp group, ask questions, give feedback about this little process of like getting on the learning platform. Once you do that, you are good to go. And you have done what you need for week 1. This is your mod. And you can always come back. You will see because I'm not done with the last module, but all the module will be shown here. This is module 1. Next week, you're gonna have module 2. We have about 10 module, if I remember. So by end of the program, we see all the module, and you will know what you have complete and what you have not complete. And then once you complete all the module, then you will get your certificate emailed to you. Okay? So I'm gonna pause because we almost toward the end, but we started late, so we can finish a little bit, a couple of minutes late. I'm gonna pause and see if you guys have any question. So let me stop sharing for now and see if there's any question. I'm spending time in the chat, but you can open your mic at this time and ask any question. So we have people from South Africa, Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is Abby. I registered as Abiodun on the group, so yeah. I just wanted to ask about the module. Are they like video recordings or just readings, just writing? Just to ask, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question. It's a mix. So I think I mentioned somewhere, but you will see that the module are a collection. I think it's written somewhere in the outline of the course here. I'm trying to go back and see. Yep. So in the outline, you see each week there will be about 5 to 10 video that you need to watch to get the concept. Then you have 60 minutes to review the highlight of the topic and then some time for questions. So you will have about, that's what I say, the 4 to 8 hours that I say is all of that. You have some information and then you will need to watch about 5 to 10 videos. Some courses are less video, some are a lot video. And these videos are like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Some of them are very long, you know? So you will need to invest about 8 hours in learning activity, watching online video, doing homework, and taking quizzes. Some of the courses have quizzes. When we have quizzes, you take the quiz, and when we come in the class, the first part of the class, we review the quizzes together. Every week, in addition to another 120 minutes on the call, right? So now, let's talk about the Friday, because the Friday session, I don't want to be involved in the Friday session. Talk. The Friday session, I want to find a way to bring the Zoom up, and the Friday session, it's not even, what do you call it? I am not counting that time for you as part of your participation. But 4 a week, yes, ma'am. Yes. Priscilla, yes. So Friday session, at the time that we mentioned, I'll find a way to open the Zoom and have the teacher assistant just be available. This is the moment for you to ask questions to your teammate, to study together. When we have a project, this is your moment to connect, because what we have heard in the past was, oh, I didn't have time to connect with my other people that I'm supposed to work with. We didn't have time. We were trying to call each other on WhatsApp. yada, yada, yada. So to cut all that, we're giving you another moment of collective study. So imagine if we're in real life, you just come in, you sit down in your corner, and you are studying. You are studying. And then since you all in the same class, you can just ask your friend, do you have any question? I'm doing this. Let's talk about this keyword thing, whatever that homework is that you are working on. So that's the time. So I don't need to participate, and I'm gonna try to see how I can make is it Imabong? Yeah, Imabong, and what is the other lady that is my co-host here? I forgot. What is your name?
That's me,
I don't.
Imabong.
Okay,
Moi left.
but okay, Moi, and then Moi. So you two, we need to like talk about how I'm gonna make it easier for you guys to just open the Zoom, and then make you the host, and you can run this without me being present.
Okay, that's fine.
If I need to be present, it'll only be toward the end when you have projects. I might pop in when you have projects, or you guys will have my number. If people are having questions, you can send me, but I have not signed up to be here on Friday with you guys. The Friday is for your free time. My time is to be here on a Wednesday for an hour and make sure that you have all the information on the platform. So there's 3 places you need to be at all time. You need to be in the platform, spend all your time there, following your course, clicking. You need to also be in the WhatsApp group, asking questions, helping other people. It's part of your engagement as well, because caring is sharing, or sharing is caring. So if you know something and somebody's asking, don't sit there and say, oh, I'm gonna wait for Madame Lizette to come answer. Give your answer. Because the only way you're gonna know if what you're learning is sticking is when you are able to answer somebody's question. Now, if your answer is not correct, I'll come back in the chat and correct you, and then everybody will learn together. So don't be afraid to lend your hand to trying to help your sister girl that is asking a question. That's actually how you learn a little bit better. So I expect you guys to do better engagement. All right. That's that. Let me go back to the sharing, and then we start thinking about how to close here. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can switch around. So this is the YouTuber. This is the YouTuber YouTube channel, we call it, right? Yeah, this is the YouTube channel. I can put the link since somebody asked about chat. Okay, chat. Let's put the link here. This is where the video is gonna be popping. I think there's some video here, but you will see. If you go in the past, you will see the video from the past session. So no need to watch the video ahead of time. Just stay in your learning management system and pay attention. But you will see by tonight or tomorrow morning, because I have other things right after this. Promise tomorrow morning. The first video you see here will be this course today. It will be there. Okay. So if there's something that you miss, you can go back and watch it. But most of the information that I shared today is already on the learning platform. Let me go here and see what else. I think we talk about the homework, and that's really it. We talk about working agreement. I think those are all the stuff. Let me look at my list of things that I wanted to cover today. I think those were all the stuff that I wanted to cover today, really. That was really it. So let me see. We have so you went to the website, you have the site. I talked about the YouTube. What is this? No, that's something else. Okay, so we got the YouTube. All right. So I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna ask one of my co-hosts to again go back to your list and double check again, because I think we have 22 people now. So who knows? Maybe there were some people that show up again before we close out.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so I'm just going to be calling the names of everybody one by one again. And when you hear a name, just signify that you're here.
No, don't do one by one. I mean, the people that say they were here. Go back to your list and check the people that did not show up earlier, and then so that it can be faster. Okay?
Okay. Hold on, please.
Go ahead.
Yes, I'm trying to get the names of people that were not here at first
Okay. Okay.
from we. Yes, because
So do we have a majority of people? Are you doing it from the sheet? Make sure
yes,
you
I'm
share
getting
that sheet. What you need to do at the end of each class, you need to share the attendance sheet with me. So we're gonna have an attendance sheet created with each date, and all we just need to do is check, 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 because attendance is super important. Okay. It's like a huge, because if
okay.
you're not showing up here, you're not gonna get the gist of what's happening, you know. So
Okay.
I would like the attendance sheet every week. I mean, every lecture. We're not gonna take
Okay.
attendance on the Friday. Friday is really up to you guys, and you tell me how Fridays are going, and then we'll decide if we're gonna continue, because I don't want people to abuse your time as well.
Okay, so Moi said she wasn't able to highlight the names, so I'll just have to call them again.
Okay. So, so if you call them again, introduce yourself, ladies.
Okay.
Don't be shy. Open your camera and say, "My name is Daddy Yadi. I don't know if you want to say your age. This is my country. This is what I do." Just say 3 things: your name, where you from, and something else, something cool about you that we need to know. Let's do that quickly. I'm okay. I'm supposed to have another meeting, but let's just do that while you call people. Let's go. Thank you.
Okay, Abiodun Adams.
Hello, hi everybody. My name is Abiodun Adams. I'm from Nigeria, and I'm trying to start a career in software testing. So I'm hoping I get the skills I need to get a good job and the confidence. Thank you.
Okay, Aishatu Bobakar Somana. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Aishatu, are you here? Okay, Alice Juguna. Sorry if I mispronounced that.
Hi, my name is Alice. I'm also very passionate about QA, and I'm very excited to be part of this project, and I hope to learn. Yeah.
Okay, Anoluwapo Aderemi.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anolu Akpaderemi, and just like my colleague said, I'm actually very excited for this. This is an opportunity, a very great one for me, because I was still discussing about how I could have been able to pay such amount. So thank you so much for that. And I hope to gather and, amass as much skills as I can that would equip me, for the marketplace. Thank you so much again.
Okay, Belinda Yeto. Oyeyemi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bola Tito, and I'm from Nigeria. I'm excited to be here, and I would love to connect with everybody. Thank you very much.
Okay, Bridge McKenna. Bridge, are you here? Okay, we're going to go to Chioma Ebi. Chioma Ebi. Oh, you sound very, very faint. Hello? We can barely hear you. You sound very far away from the phone.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Okay, yes, that's better.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Choma. I'm from Nigeria. and I'm here to get as much knowledge I can about software testing. Then one fun thing about me is that in my pastime, I love to bake.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Cheesy Terem Ezeano. Cheesy Terem, are you here? Okay, Christine Ndambuku, Buki, actually. Christine, are you here? Okay, Damisola Morayo. Morawo. Okay, I can hear you. Who's speaking? Hello? Is who? Hello, I can't hear you. Osimiri. I don't see your name. Have I called your name? I don't think I've called your name.
Okay, I thought you called me. So sorry.
Oh no. I called Christine and then I called Damisola. Okay, Damisola, you can speak, please. Hello? Damisola, we can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, yes, I can hear you.
I said I'm Damisola Morawa. I'm here to connect with like-minded people and to learn. Thank you.
Okay, Emily Mokoena. Emily, are you here? Okay, Gertrude Kemayong.
Yes, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Gertrude Kemayong from Cameroon, and I'm here to learn. Also, I'm here to network. I really pray for our cohort to build a strong network so that it will also help us at the end of our school. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Glory Bagay. Glory, are you here? Okay, next, Ifeanyi Rosemary Osiniri. Good afternoon.
I'm excited to be among this program, and I feel lucky being when I saw the prize, I was actually very shocked. I'm grateful to be part of the few selected to participate in this program, and I'm looking forward to achieving great things and learning more things. Thank you for everyone, the organizers, and everyone involved. I'm grateful.
Okay, thank you, Rosemary. Next, Ife Sinachi Uchemefuna.
Good afternoon, everyone. All right, my name is Nachi Chimifuna from Nigeria, and I'm passionate about building software products. And also, I'm very grateful for the opportunity and for the opportunity of being selected for this program. I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, next, Immaculate Chidima Madu.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Immaculate Chidima from Nigeria. I'm grateful to be selected. I'm so grateful.
I'm a front-end developer, and I'm so excited to add this knowledge to what I have. And I'm here to connect and learn from experts. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you. Next, Kele Bogile Madise.
Good day to everyone. I'm an intermediate. Oh, wait. I hope everyone is having a blessed day, first of all. I am an intermediate software developer. And lastly, thank you so, so much for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you. Next we have Lame Ogaufi. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Lame, please, if you're on the call. Okay, Lorraine.
Hello,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Lorraine Mwanota. I'm from Zimbabwe and I'm happy to be here.
Okay, thank you, Lorraine. Miriam Tori. Miriam, are you here? Miriam Tori. Okay, she's on the call. Obviously, she's not active. Okay, then, Mercy Idu.
Hi, hello everyone. Super very excited.
This is
Okay, Mercy, please hold on. Miriam, please introduce yourself.
okay. My name is Miriam Ture, and I'm from Nigeria. I'm happy to be here. I've been excited for this opportunity, and I pray that I'll have a lot of experience and meet everyone to understand this wonderful journey. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Mercy, please.
Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. It's something I've been looking forward to. I'm from Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to enlighten my listeners. I have a little background in this, so I'm trying to build more and understand the wide range of testing. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you. Millicent Oprang.
Yes, good morning from my side. My name is Millicent from Ghana, and I thank God for and I thank you for the opportunity. I'm a product manager, and I believe having these skills would enhance my knowledge and skill sets. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Nkechi Sowin. Nkechi, are you here? Okay, Olije Obande. Olije Obande, are you here? Okay, Oluwaseun Adeni.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Oluwaseun Adeni from Nigeria. I'm just starting my journey into software testing, and I'm here to learn more. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Patience Yabuat.
Hello, everyone. I'm Patience from Nigeria.
I'm here to learn and add to my knowledge. I'm presently a teacher, so I wanted to just add my knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Priscilla.
Hi, everyone. My name is Priscilla. I'm from Ghana. I'm very excited to be here. Interesting thing about me, I like to experience cultures through food, so I can try almost anything at least once. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, Sharon Kabum.
Hello everyone. My name is Sharon Kadha Kaburu from Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm a software engineering student and also passionate about QA. Yes, thank you for this opportunity. I'm here. Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, thank you. Next, Sion Meride. Sion Meride. Please, are you here? Okay, next, Udwakobong Asuko.
Good morning, everyone. I'm from Nigeria. I'm super excited to be part of this program. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you. Finally, Winifred Kumor Dizzy. Winifred, are you here? Okay, that would be all.
All right. Again, I want to thank my co-host and my assistant and all of you. Please send me the attendee list so we can check off and make a brand new list where we can check off people every day. Thank you all for joining. I hope you stay blessed, stay energetic, and I hope you can learn a lot from this class. I'm sure you're gonna learn a lot from this class, but your return on what you have invested in yourself will be greater. So that's gonna be my parting word. We'll make sure we stay on time. This time we try. So next time when we come in the class, log in early so that as soon as we come, we give you just 5 minutes to situate yourself. When you come in, there's 2 questions that I always ask. The mood. So you're gonna be telling us your mood and then we'll get into the class. So the class is gonna be super dynamic, super fast. That's how I run things. So I hope you'll be able to keep up with the pace. The way you keep up with the pace is the pre-work. When you have done all the pre-work, you feel like you're ready to get in the ring and we spend the hours very productive. So thank you very much. We'll see you on Friday for the study time. Study time this Friday is not going to be complicated. It's just going to make sure that you are all set up, ready to go and ready for next week, because I'm going to make the next session available, the next module available on Friday morning, so that, if you have any question about everything that you see for next week, you can already start studying. Okay. All right. Thank you. The video is going to be available tomorrow morning, later tonight, but tomorrow morning for sure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send the link to the ladies here. They're going to send you an email. And then, we already send you the YouTube. So if you go on YouTube, that'll be the first thing that you will see. All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful afternoon, wherever you are. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Whoever was asking about the enrollment process, I think it was a direct message. Sorry. You're gonna have to watch YouTube to see that. You're gonna have to watch YouTube to see that. Okay. All right. Thank you. I got to go. My co-host, I'm gonna send you information about Friday, and then I'll ask you guys to test it before we make it live on Friday. Okay. Bye. Gotta go.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Mhm.